What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys do not know who I am Cassandra Liz. Welcome. Make sure you guys join the family. Click that subscribe button and click the bell right beside it just to get future post notifications. Every Tuesday and Thursday I will be posting a new video for you guys. So just please be patient with me. We are on our way to that 2K and it feels absolutely amazing because none of that would have been possible without many of you guys. But enough of that rambling. Let me get into it. So in today's look, I use the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I will say that these shadows are absolutely amazing. I really love the pigmentation in every shadow, especially these shimmers, which they only have like 2 shimmers, but it's okay because, you know, it's good. I haven't used this in a video just due to the fact that like I used it twice and I mean I was really rubbing it off just because, I mean, that fallout. But I find that like with using a lighter hand, it works so much better and the shadows blend together so beautifully. I don't know how I didn't peep that, but today obviously I did. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, cause I got you. Okay, you guys, so first things first, I'm just applying the Maybelline Instant Adria Wine Concealer as my eyeshadow base. I always apply a little bit on the back of my hand and then just use this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush and just apply this onto my eyelids. I find that this is the best eyeshadow base for me, at least. You guys just try it and thank me later, okay? Anyway, so with fall and like, you know, October coming, I'm going to start creating some fall eyeshadow looks as well as some Halloween looks. So if you guys have any requests, please link them down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys would like to see more of here on my channel. I know I do a lot of like vlogging and things like that. Those are pretty much my memories, you guys. Like, you guys gotta understand, I love filming my family adventures and pretty much showing you guys what we do out here or wherever it is that we're living at. But yeah, definitely let me know if you guys have any requests on any looks or Halloween makeup looks. Link them down in the comments below. You guys see how crispy clean I'm trying to do this? I got my eyebrows done and I don't know how to act. I'm really depressed though, because, not depressed, but like I'm real sad that my eyebrow lady, she's leaving. Like, she did my eyebrows and then I'm getting up and she's like, how they look? And I was like, oh, they look so good. She was like, oh my god, they're filling in so much. And I'm like, yeah, thanks to you, you know. And then she was like, I'm so sorry, I'm leaving, I miss my family. I'm like at first I'm like, oh, so you're going to another place? Like, let me know that other place so I can start going there too. But no, it was something about like her missing her family and I completely understand. So I was just like, I'm screwed because now I have to find some place that does eyebrows the way I want them to. Like, it took me forever to grow this bottom piece out that I will be so sad if somebody messes up my eyebrows. Like, don't do me like that. I can't have those silly string eyebrows. It took me forever. Those who really know me know it took forever for my eyebrows to grow. So this is gonna be an adventure to find some place who knows how to do good eyebrows. So today is the day that I finally set my lids just to see like the difference, because usually I'll just apply my concealer and straight go into whatever eyeshadow and then, you know, apply that. But today I use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder. This is in Banana. I love that it's like a yellow tone. I'm really into that. Like, I don't know, it just makes me feel like I'm awake and getting it. So I just apply that onto my lids where I applied the concealer just to kind of set that. I want to see what's the difference. I never set my eyeshadow base or concealer on my lids. Okay, I'm rambling. So I'm going to be using the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. These shades are so beautiful. I only probably used this palette like a good 2 times, and it was mainly like my nudes and that shimmery shadow right there. So I'm going to start trying to create more fall looks using different palettes that I have yet to use or really dig into. But first things first, I'm going into New Wave, which is just this beautiful orangey yellow shade, and I'm using the base shadow brush by Her Own Techniques. This is my baby. She is so damaged, but I love this brush, and I just want to apply that onto my crease, well, like in my crease and a little bit above, so that that's my transition shadow, so that mainly pops. And if you guys see that I have my AirPods in, I have to listen to music when creating a look. It's just, it puts me in a good mood. I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. Anybody else? Music really like makes me feel better. So boom. That's a lot of fallout. I feel like just digging into it, maybe that's why a lot of people complain about it, but we're still gonna do it. So I'm going to apply this in here, and I'm looking down just because I find it so much easier to apply where I'm wanting to. And again, like what works for me works for me. It's not gonna work well on everyone else, but you guys will find your own like techniques and things when practicing more and learning more of your eyes and your face and things like that, you know. So just take your time, ladies. And plus I have very huge downturned eyes, so it makes it more easier for me because I have a lot of lid space. But that's fine, you guys will find your way. Completely blend it out. As you guys can see, I always like use circular motion. I just find that so much easier to blow it out and have everything look blended. Keep on blending and packing. As you see, I'm just packing on more. Boy, I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love I make it do. Say the X, make the sex spectacular. Make me lick you from your neck to your back and you're shivering, cold delivering. Shows up that spine, that ass is mine. Now going back into the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm just taking this shadow, which is like an olive green, called Untamed. I don't know if I want to go, I think I'm going to do Destiny first. Okay, so I'm just going to take Destiny on top, which is still an olive green. I feel like it's more deeper though, and I'm just going to add that into my crease for more depth. You guys will see right now. I don't know whose freaking playlist this is, but their 90s 2000 playlist is everything right now. Everything. So I'm using this full spectrum. It was in the palettes by Urban Decay. It's a dual-sided brush, just using both sides to help blend and apply that color, because I don't want to take that up way too high, but I do want it to pop, and I do want more depth in this. I always have that problem, like I have this ring light on me and then this light is on me, and so it gets like super hot in this cuarto. I might add a little darker shade in this corner or this outer part just to add more depth, just so that it looks no more defined and stuff. And ting, my ass never knows what to say when recording these videos. Like, look, this is just my techniques, this is what I'm going to do. And hopefully you guys are following along. I get aggravated during my own filming. Like, when I'm doing my makeup, like, I be like, this doesn't look right. And sometimes I just want to give up, but no, girl, you gotta keep on pushing. Push it. From now on, I'ma be my own best friend. Snap, Bobby V. Bobby V. Learned a lesson that love will find you if you just let it in. I'll never leave you, God put us together forever, my angel. That keeps me up when I'm feeling down. I don't know about you, but I gotta keep my eyes around, cause I done look, I done search, and it's hard to find another shorty like mine. Baby, yes, I'm gonna take the darker green called Untamed, and I'm just going to deepen that outer part some more. When I'm feeling down, I don't know about you. And then the yellow, it may look like it faded a little bit, but that's no problem. I'll just add some more of New Wave above this green, and then it'll just kind of like flow together, like blend out. Right now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-sided brush and just taking the fluffy side with it and getting it all up in there, honey. Cause I got something to say about it. What I'm about to say is real too. I can't even remember that part. So above this green, I'm just going into the yellow orangey shadow called New Wave. Very lightly above, just to blend it all together. It's so fun. Let me hold you. Yo, this throwback track was everything. You ever listen to music and you're like, damn, I used to cry to that? What was I thinking, honey? See, so it just kind of like brings it back. All the time I wanna keep it right by my side till I die. I'm gonna hold you down and make sure everything is right with you. You can never go out. Down like a real friend supposed to. Just blend all together that green. Ooh, I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you do. Show me in a special way of it. When you hold me, we gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. I'm just going to use that same concealer that I applied all over my lid just to clean up this lid. I don't know what it is about this cut crease, but I freaking love doing this. Like, especially if I'm using a darker shadow on my outer V, you know? So it look cray like this. Ooh. Girl, you wanna come into my hotel? I used to love this song. Okay, so I kind of blended that green a little bit forward. And so I'm just going to apply Electric, which is this beautiful shimmery shadow right here, and just put that on top. That is such a beautiful shimmer. Now, as you guys can see, like, I'm just patting it because I find that I get very little fallout with this shimmer if I just like kind of like apply it and just pat it in. It's really, really pretty. Like, I know that this camera is not doing it any justice. This is such a beautiful shadow. The shimmer, it has like greenish shimmer in it. I like the way you do that right there. And then, yeah, like that. See, always one looks better, but it's okay. Just gonna make it do what it does. I feel like I have two different eyes, I'm convinced. Like, real rap. So it looks like this. My eye over here is watery. I don't know why. It's so annoying. Give me what you got for a whole shot. Cord. And that same palette, I don't know why I just did that. I'm just going to use one of these like little very thin brushes and take that same shadow Untamed and run it lightly around that shimmer so that it kind of just pops out. To use Morphe's gel liner. This is in Jets, and I'm just going to use those little brushes. I've been really liking to apply my wing with this type of liner over liquid liner. I don't know why. It's just so easy to apply. And run across like my lash line. I don't know. I just find that so easy. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her had a shit that a young and never seen before. That was the first time I ever seen Erica Mena. Oh my gosh, she was so pretty in that video. So this is what it should look like. I'm going to do this one off of camera and I'll be right. Every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love, and now I know I can't be the only one. I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And there's hearts all over the world tonight. So there's hearts all over the world tonight. So I'm going to use Morphe liner in the shade Everlasting, which is just a beautiful shimmery olive color. I'm just going to run that onto my lash line, my lower lash line. I don't know why I'm doing this now, because my eye was just watery as hell. I don't know why this one eye always gets super watery, but I've noticed that it only gets super watery like if I am using color, so maybe that could be a reason. I don't know. So I'm putting New Wave. And then I'm going to blend that green on top of that Everlasting liner that I just applied. Bada boom, bada bam, bam, bam. Everybody get on the floor. We're about to get it on. 1-2 step. I love it when you 1-2 step. Everybody 1-2 step. Me, because I'm 5'2", I wanna dance with you when I'm sophisticated fun. Are you feeling me on? And I'm nice and young, best believe I'm #1. And I'm sitting here with this blank expression and the way I feel, wanna curl up like a child. Girl, with you, can't leave you alone. And I know I'm living wrong, but I can't let you go. You're the only one in my life. I already got a wife. Can't leave you alone. And I know I'm living wrong, but I can't let you go. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. Okay, you guys, that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial. Make sure you guys comment down below what you guys would like to see next, meaning fall looks, Halloween looks. Comment it down below. What was your favorite part of this video? I'm so overseeing like emojis. Like, how is that telling me that I'm doing okay? How is that telling me that I'm doing good? You know what I mean? Like, I'm sitting here showing so much love to many of the people that I am subscribed to. I just want that back, you know? Just give me some love. Give me some love. So here is a close-up, up close and personal. You guys, this gel liner just might be my favorite because this is probably the only liner I really know how to work. Isn't that crazy? Like, liquid liner you would have thought would have been so much easier just because it's a pen, but you guys. So yeah, that is the look. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace.